All right, guys, we got a nice little pool up here. I got a stonefly on and a little lightning bug. I've caught him in here before, so I think I'm gonna get low. I'm gonna stay below. That might get bit. Got him. Oh, no, guys. He bit the stonefly. Darn it. Well, we still might be able to get something. He bit the stone. Poop. Did not catch that guy. Come on. Ooh, that was a bite. Looks like the lightning bug. Come on. All right, guys. This hole looks pretty shallow, but I just saw one jump way up there. Trying to get snagged in the trees. But if I think I can lay it up right at the base of that bush. Oh, just like that. That might get bit, guys. Got him. Ooh. Come on. Got him. Let's go, guys. First fish of the day. Let's see what this beautiful guy is. See a trout? Ooh, looks like a little brownie maybe. Oh, beautiful brown trout, guys. Beautiful brown trout. Came on that stonefly. He is a dinky little fish. Let's unhook him. Get that release. And he is off, boys. All right, I am recording. Just had to make sure. All right, let's get that stonefly out. Stonefly's killing it. Hopefully I can get at least one more out of this hole. Got him right away. Oh, this one's bigger, guys. Oh, this one's a lot nicer. A lot nicer of a fish, guys. He hit it right as that guy hit. Right as that. Oh, another nice little, looks like a brown trout. Oh, this one's a lot nicer, guys. This is a pretty nice fish for a creek this size. Oh, yeah. Look at that beauty right there. This golden stone's killing it. Got it at Bob Ward's. Oh, no, this guy does not. Oh, there he goes. And he's off. Oh, you can see him. Oh, right there. He was swimming away. Well, heck yeah, guys. Oh, it's a little tangled. I want to check my knots too. I've lost enough fish on knots that are badly tied that I don't want to make that mistake again. All righters. Nothing on the lightning bug though. I will say I'm very surprised. I thought I'd be catching them on the lightning bug. Although, cannot complain. Rather catch them on the drive, given the opportunity. So, right more. Ooh, that looks, got him. Ooh. This guy's fighting hard. Hard little fighter. Maybe a little smaller than that second one. Actually, this guy might be a little bigger. No. Hey, still a nice fish though. Ooh, first cutthroat of the day. Oh, this is a healthy rainbow, guys. Look at the size of him. He's a chunky little rainbow. Little cutbow. There you go, buddy. Oh, you hooked yourself. He hooked himself again. on the lightning bug. Okay, there you go, buddy. You want to swim downstream? Okay. That rainbow fought pretty darn hard, I'll say that. I wonder how many fish are stacked in this hole, guys. I mean, that was quite a lot. Oh yeah, guys. Look at this plunge pool. I'm gonna sneak right over this rock. Be careful not to spook them, but this looks like it's gonna be good, guys. Oh, that's a deep hole. That is deep. Let's try in the current more, maybe. Ooh, going, guys. Looks like he took the lightning bug. Hoping he's a brookie. Crossing my fingers. What is he? Oh, looks like a little bow. This is a bit precarious. All right, hands are wet. Boat flip. Oh yeah, beautiful little, looks like it's a cut bow again. Took that lightning bug. Beautiful little fishy. Be free. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, I just missed it, but big old cut. Big old cut hit the dry. Hope you guys can see that all right. Oh, big old nice cut, guys. Hit that golden stone. Dude, let's see if we can't hatch another nice fish, boys. Oh, it's getting itself all tangled up. Come on, what the heck? Maybe no more out of this hole. That's a bummer. There's definitely more than one. All right, boys. We're at that lower hole now. This is looking pretty good. Not the best casting distance, but we'll see what we can do. Oh, heck yeah, guys. That is what I like to, oh, let's go. Came on that dropper. What kind of fish is this dude? Looks like he's a cut. My net comes in tomorrow. Oh, beautiful little cut, guys. Came on that lightning bug. Get that guy out. Get him back in that water. Let's check the knots though. I mean, hey, after snagging in the tree, the knots are still pretty good. Oh, ooh. Something popped at that dry. This hole is loaded. Well, looks like that's it for this hole, fellas. Oh, just missed it, boys. Took it to dry. Oh, fat, nice little cutty. Oh, beautiful guy right there. Look at the colors on him. That orange. Oh, he's all tangled in, all tangled up. Don't worry, buddy. And he's off. He took it first cast, just under that tree. Let's see if there's another. Guys, we got a nice fish on, Looks like he came on the Prince Nymph. This guy might be 16 or 17. Oh, heck yeah, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he came on the Prince Nymph. First cast. Oh, come on, buddy. No, I don't have a net. I don't have a net. I'm so glad I'm using 4X and not 5X though. That's gonna make a big difference in landing this guy. He's a nice one. Landon! I'm on, buddy! Oh, he might be a brownie actually. Let's get him in. He's a nice, oh, looks like he's a nice brownie. Yeah, he is a brownie. Oh, nice brown trout, guys. Hopefully he's not the only one in this hole. Oh, buddy, come here. Real nice brownie. Oh, I don't. Oh, no. Don't go in that current. Can I skim him up top? I'm gonna try to get under him. This is gonna be real hard without a net. Ah! Come here, bud. Oh, hands wet. Got him. Yes, sir, boys. Oh. He's hooked pretty good in the corner of the mouth, so I don't think that's coming off. Let's see if I can't get a picture of this beauty real quick. I'm gonna try to drag him up to this water that's not in the current, because skim him over the surface. Ah! Don't worry, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. All right, guys. It's gonna be a lot more manageable to fight him now. That's a nice brownie. He is fat and healthy. That's what I like to see. Oh, buddy. Come here. Nice brownie. Come here. Let me just get a picture. Oh, I know. I'm gonna get him up here. Get a picture of him right next to my fly rod. That'll look super cool. Don't worry, buddy. Just get right there. All right, let's release this fella now. I've tired him out enough. Right in the corner of the mouth. Set the reel right there. Hook just came right out. That is a beautiful brown trout right there, guys. Get that release. You got it, buddy. I know you're a fighter. This strong current is not doing me any favors. There he goes. Healthy fish right there. Well, first cast. Heck yeah. I'm gonna throw it back in. Let's see if we can't get another great fish like that.